Okay, hello everyone. I'm back today and today for another market update. Okay. Okay, today is the 1st of April. So it's around 8:37 a.m. 8:37 p.m. Sorry, 1 hour before market open. So okay, let's go to the daily chart again. So yesterday, if you recall correctly, I was actually having a bullish bias. So I said that price actually tagged into this area of inefficiency over here, and I expected a reversal. Okay, so let's go down to the 15-minute 1 hour chart. Okay, so this was what I drew yesterday, right? Price actually tapped on this area, it consolidated, and then it broke out, attempting to fill this area. So I took a partial profit, like I said, as I don't want to hold my trade overnight. Okay, let's dive down into the 15-minute chart. Sorry. Okay, so this was what I drew yesterday. Double bottom formation, consolidation with a double bottom formation. It's a bullish reversal formation. And then price actually broke above this area of interest over here, this shaded area. And then it's looking to actually go to this, my target area over here. So if you look at what price is doing, price actually broke past this area of inefficiency. After forming this double bottom, price actually broke past this area of inefficiency over here, and then price is actually consolidating above this area here. So if you can see, price is actually using this area as a support now, right? At first price was under this, at first price actually broke down, and then it actually consolidated inside this shaded area, which is my fair value gap or area of inefficiency, and then it actually make this double bottom formation, right? So I took profit around here, like I said. So now price is actually consolidating above this area here. So this is very important. Price is actually consolidating above this shaded area, this area of inefficiency over here. So price is actually consolidating above. Let me actually draw out the channel so you can see clearer, right? So if you look at it, so here, can you see my shaded area? This new shaded rectangle over here. See, price actually broke above, and then now it's consolidating. So this is what we call consolidating above the support level. So this shaded area at the bottom is now the newly formed support area. So price is actually consolidating above. So it didn't break below this support area, right? Okay. So what do I do? What's my plan for today? As long as price doesn't break below this channel over here, right? I expect price to still go to this shaded area above here, which is my target area, which was my initial target area. So the trade plan today is pretty simple. If price doesn't break below this new channel here, right? If price doesn't break below it, we are having a bullish bias, means we are taking longs to actually hit our target over here. Right, so for the optimal risk to reward ratio, we want to take a trade as close to this newly formed support level over here, and then take price all the way up to here. Okay, so let's zoom down to the 5-minute chart. Okay. Okay, let me just okay. Alright, so this is a 5-minute chart. Sorry, it's a bit messy, but if you can see, I drew a channel over here. You see this smaller rectangle above, right? This is the area of consolidation above the area of interest below, right? Okay, so for optimal risk to reward ratio trade, we want to take a trade as close as possible to this newly formed support area over here, right? As you can see, so I actually set a target. If price actually reaches this level here, 19131, which is the bottom of this channel, which I deem as a strong support because price has been consolidating above this, and then every time it touches this level here, this bottom of the channel, it actually bounces, right? So I will actually take a trade. I actually set an alert. So when price actually reaches 19133 or so, right, I'll actually take a trade. My stop loss will be slightly below here, around 19087, and then my take profit will actually be my predefined zone above here, right? Okay, so if you want to look at it, okay, so I can actually set a buy here, right? So my stop loss will actually be below this level here, so I'll just buy, right? And then my take profit will actually be, let's be a bit more conservative. Maybe we just take profit slightly above this. Okay, so you can see my stop loss will be slightly below. My stop loss will be slightly below here, below the last support level, and then my take profit will actually be the top of this channel to be conservative, right? Yep. So you're risking around $2,000 plus to make $3,000 plus, which is a good risk to reward ratio. Okay. So this is my trade plan later on. So I'll update you guys again once the trade plays out. So let's see how it goes. Right, catch you in the next one.